Good morning, everybody. This is lecture number 4 for mathematical methods in physics, chapter generating function here. Last time we saw here what is the generating function for Legendre's polynomial here. What is the generating function for Hermite's polynomial here. Today we have to see what is the generating function for Bessel's polynomial here. We know here generating function for Legendre's polynomial is g of x is equal to 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to minus half is equal to summation of pn of x t raised to n, where n runs from 0 to infinity here. Where n runs from 0 to infinity here. So next is and we solve the number of examples from the Legendre's polynomials here. Then secondly, last time we saw here what is the generating function for Hermite's polynomial here. The generating function for Hermite's polynomial is g of x is equal to a raised to a 2xt minus t square is equal to summation of h n of x t raised to n upon n factorial here. We saw what are the polynomials for Hermite's polynomial. We solved that here, and we solve the number of examples from that also here. Today we have to see what is the generating function for Bessel's polynomial here. The generating function for Bessel's polynomial is this is the generating function for Bessel's polynomial here. So this is nothing but the a raised to 2x. So here what is g of x t? So here g of x t is equal to a raised to x by 2 into t minus 1 by t is equal to summation of jn of x into t raised to n here, where n goes from minus infinity to infinity here. So it is also called the Bessel's generating function for Bessel's polynomial of first kind here. So here this is the generating function for Bessel's polynomial here. Now then we have to solve some property, or we have to solve some examples from the generating function for Bessel's polynomial here. So what is the first example here? The example first is here. Show that so first example is jn of x here. Jn of x is equal to minus 1 raised to n into jn of minus 6 here. So this is the example here. So then we have to show jn of x is equal to minus 1 raised to n jn of x here. So we solve this type of example in the Hermite's polynomial here, in the Legendre's polynomial here. Procedure is same here. So what is solution here? Now solution here. Now we know here generating function for Bessel's polynomial is g of x t is equal to summation of jn of x into t raised to n. So here it is nothing but the generating function for Bessel's polynomial here. So we consider it is equation number 1 here. Then replace here. So replace n by minus n dash and t by minus t dash here. Then what we get here? So in the equation what we have to replace? N by minus n dash and t by minus t dash here. So we get here g of x t. So equation number 1 becomes here. So jn of minus x into minus t dash raised to n here. So this is the next term here. But as we know that it is minus t dash raised to n here. So minus t dash raised to n can be replaced by minus 1 raised to n into t dash raised to n here. So we can replace this here. So then what we get here? It is jn of minus x into minus 1 raised to n into t dash raised to n here. So we can write here it is actually it is summation sign. It is summation sign, and we have to take here minus 1 raised to n outside the bracket here. So minus 1 raised to n into summation of jn of it is minus x dash. It is x by minus x dash and t by minus t dash here. So x by minus x dash. So here it becomes here j of minus x dash into this minus 1 raised to n we take outside the bracket here. So it is nothing but the t dash raised to n here. So this is the next term here. Then what happens here? X dash and t dash here. X dash and t dash are the dummy index here. So replace x dash by x and replace t dash by t here. Then what we get? That we have to see here. So this become minus 1 raised to n. It is a summation of jn of minus x here. Replace x dash by x here. So here it is x here, and it is your t dash replaced by t here, t raised to n here. So this is the equation here. So suppose it is equation number 2 here. Okay. So here now here in equation 1, what is g of x t? G of x t is equal to summation of jn of x t raised to n here. So this is the equation here. So we have to write here from equation 1 we have to write g of x is equal to summation of. So it is summation of jn of x into t raised to n here. So this is the so it is equation number 2, and we have write here g of x is equal to summation of jn of x into t raised to n here. And then right hand side we have write as it is here, minus 1 raised to n into summation of jn of minus x into t raised to n. It is equation number 3 here. Now from equation 3 here compare the coefficient of t raised to n. Then what we get here? Comparing the coefficient of t raised to n, what we get here? Jn of x is equal to minus 1 raised to n into Jn of minus x here. And here the proof here. This is required here. So we have to show that here. We show that here Jn of x is equal to minus 1 raised to n into Jn of minus x here. And then lastly we have to write here. Here is the proof here. Here is the proof here. So here we show that here Jn of x is equal to minus 1 raised to n into Jn of minus x here. So this is the first example here. Now secondly, then we have solved another type of example here. The another example is show that example 2 is show that Jn plus 1 of x plus Jn minus 1 of x is equal to 2n by x Jn of x here. So this is the example here. Show that Jn plus 1 of x plus Jn minus 1 of x is equal to 2n by x into Jn of x here. Now last time I told you that here. So here this is the another type of example here. Now here if there is Jn of x, Jn plus 1 of x, Jn minus 1 here, then what we have to do here? Differentiate the generating coefficient with respect to t here. So here what is now this is the solution. Now here what is the generating coefficient for basis polynomial? We know that here this is the generating function for basis polynomial here. So here generating function for basis polynomial is g of xt is equal to t raised to x by 2 into t minus 1 by t is equal to summation of jn of x into t raised to n here. So this is something is equation number 1 here. Now here as I told you that here if there is jn plus 1, jn minus 1, jn x here, then differentiate the generating function with respect to t here. So here differentiate with respect to t here. Then what we have to do here? So here this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side here. So differentiate here. So e raised to something. What is the derivation of e raised to something? It is as it is e raised to something here into d by dx of something here. So it is nothing but the e raised to x by 2 into t minus 1 by t. It is as it is here into differentiation of the bracketed term here. So what is the bracketed term here? This is the bracketed term here. So we write here it is x by 2 is as it is into differentiation of t is it is 1 minus what is 1 upon t? So differentiation of 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon x square here. We know that here. So differentiation of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. So minus and this minus will become plus here 1 upon t square. And this is the as it is here. And differentiate the right hand side now here. So differentiate it is your summation of jn of x into n into t raised to en minus 1 here. So this is the next term here. Now what we have to do here? We know that here from equation 1 here we know here e raised to x by 2 t minus 1 by 2 it is nothing but the jn of x into t raised to n here. So we can write here x by 2 into 1 plus 1 upon t square into summation of jn of x into t raised to n is equal to right hand side as it is here. It is summation of jn of x into, so here n we have to take outside the bracket n into t raised to it is your n minus 1 here. It is the next term here. Now here then what we have to do here? We have to multiply this the term each and every term to the n of x here. So here it is x by 2 is as it is here. So remaining multiplied by 1 this term become as it is summation of jn of x into t raised to n plus it is multiplied by 1 upon t square. Here is t raised to n. Here is 1 upon t raised to 1 upon t square here. So this become t raised to n minus 2 here. So plus summation of jn of x into t raised to n minus 2 here. So this is term here is equal to. So what we have to do here? Transfer this x by 2 to that side here. So here it is in this become here. This we have to transfer to that side here. It is 2 by x here. So x by 2 this become here 2 by x. So we have this term here. So here this become here 2 by x. It is n is as it is here into summation of jn of x into t raised to n minus 1 here. So this is the next term here. Now comparing the coefficient of t raised to n, as we know that here in the early stage early examples here in the generating function for Hermite and generating function for Legendre, we know that here. So comparing the coefficient of t raised to n here. So this is t raised to n. So this term is as it is here. It is jn of x here. here is it is t raised to n minus 2 here. So if there is n, we have to write here n plus 2 here. So it is plus here, plus n plus 2 of x is equal to, here is t raised to n minus 1 here. Then what we have to do here, comparing the coefficient of t raised to n, then what happens, what we have to write here, we have to write replace n by n plus 1 here. So it is 2 into n plus 1 by x into n plus 1 of x here. So this is the next equation here. So here, then what is the solution here? If we get the last step here, we don't get the last step here. So see after the equation here. So this is the example. This is the solution that we have to show here, and this is the last step here. So we don't get the answer here. Then what we have to do here? Replace n by n minus 1 here. So replace n by n minus 1 here. Then what happens here? So replace n by n minus 1 here. So this term become n minus 1 of x plus replace n by n minus 1 here. So then what happens here? The n plus 1 of x is equal to, replace n by n minus 1 here. It becomes here 2n by x here into, it is replace n by n minus 1 means here it is n of x here. So this is the equation here. So it is n minus 1. So here rewrite the equation here. So here in that way here we have write here. So it is n plus 1 of x plus n minus 1 of x is equal to 2n by x n of x here. So this step is same here, this step is same here, but we have to show that in this pattern here. So we write in that order here, we have to write the answer here. So here's the proof here. So write down here. It is here's the proof. So here remember one thing that here, if there is n plus 1, n minus 1 or n here, differentiate the generating quotient with respect to t here. Then another type of examples. Now this is the last example here. So that here. Now third example here. It is minus infinity here. Now last example is show that here. Show that n minus 1 of x minus n plus 1 of x is equal to n dash of x here. So read the example carefully here. n minus 1 of x minus n plus 1 of x is equal to n dash of x here. So this is the another type of example here. As I told you that earlier, that here, if there is n plus 1, n minus 1, differentiate the generating quotient with respect to t here. But here is the n dash here. If there is dash here, then differentiate the generating quotient with respect to x here. So then solution here. So solution for, we know here, what is the generating quotient for basis polynomial here? The generating quotient for basis polynomial is g of xt is equal to e raised to x by 2 into t minus 1 by t is equal to summation of n of x into t raised to n here. So this is the generating quotient for basis polynomial here. Suppose it is equation number 1 here. And as I told you that here, if there is n dash x, n plus 1 dash, if there is dash here, then differentiate the generating quotient with respect to x here. So differentiate the generating quotient with respect to x here. Then what we get, that we have to see here. Now here, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side here. Now differentiate this equation here. So it is e raised to x by 2 is as it is t minus 1 by t here. Now here, now differentiate the bracketed term here. So this is multiplied by. So here differentiation of x by 2 is nothing but 1 half into t minus 1 by t is as it is here. So here differentiation of x is 1. So 1 by 2 into t minus 1 by t here, and it is equal to summation of n dash of x into t raised to n here. So this is the next step here. Now here, then what we know that here, it is e raised to x by 2 t minus 1 by t. It is nothing but the generating quotient n of x into t raised to n here. So we can write here it is 1 by 2 into t minus 1 by t into summation of n of x into t raised to n, and it is equal to summation of n dash of x into t raised to n here. The right hand side is as it is here. Now here multiply this term to this here. So this is t here. So it is 1 half is as it is here. So it is as it is here. So here multiply t, here is t, here is t raised to n. So we get here summation of n of x into t raised to n plus 1 minus. So it is 1 by t here. Here is t raised to n here. So what we get here? T raised to n minus 1 here. So minus summation of Jn of x into t raised to n minus 1. So this is bracket complete here. Right hand side is as it is here. It is summation of Jn dash of x into t raised to n here. So here this one by 1/2 here. That we have to transfer to right hand side here. Then what happens here? This we have to half transfer to that side here. We get here 2 into. So here we have this thing here. So then what we have to do here? Comparing the coefficient of t raised to n here. So here this term is t raised to n plus 1 here. If there is n plus 1 here, replace n by n minus 1 here. So this become here j n minus 1 of x minus, it is n minus 1. So we have to write by n replace n by n plus 1 here. Minus j n plus 1 of x is equal to 2 into. Now here it is as it is here. It is j n dash of x here. So what is the equation here? So this is proof here. So here we get the answer here. So j n minus 1 of x minus j n plus 1 of x is equal to j n dash x here. So this is the last example, and this is the last lecture also from the generating question here. Now here in that chapter here we saw the generating question for Legendre's polynomial here, generating question for Hermite's polynomial here, and today we saw here what is the generating question for Bessel's polynomial here, and we saw the number of examples from the every polynomial here, Legendre's, Hermite's and Bessel's here. So this is very important articles are this is very important examples for the point of examination here. So in for 8 marks here. So they show you, they ask you show that this type of example, show that this here. For that here you must know what is the generating question for Legendre's, Hermite's and Bessel's polynomial here. So this is the last lecture from the generating question here, and next to that here we have to see what is the relativity. In the next chapter lecture we have to start the next chapter relativity here. So till have a good day, best of luck.